Yo, what's up guys? Sam Acevedo here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I posted a video. I'm gonna admit I was a little busy, with work and with the kids and all that. So, but I'm back. So what I'm gonna do today is work on the 335. Now up here in New Jersey, I mean it is getting cold. So the average temp right now is about 40 to 45. Degrees Fahrenheit. So it's getting low. So at night it dips down to the high 20s, low 30s. So what I'm going to do is switch to the wheels off. So I'm going to put the winter setup on the car. That would come with a set of Blizzak tires. So that should be interesting. I never had them before. I never used them. I never even had winter tires before. I've always run all seasons. So I mean, we'll see how it pans out. So for now, I went ahead and set up the garage. I removed the S2000. I parked it out front. I'm gonna bring in the 335. Okay, so before I brought the car in, I figured I'd show you the wheels. Figured I'd get them out of they're in this corner here. But here they are. So the back two are for the passenger side, and these two up here are for the driver's side. So I picked these up, I don't know, a couple months ago. Good deal. For the most part, they're in, I mean, 2 out of 4 are in good shape. The passenger side are not so good. They got all these scuffs here, but for what I'm using them for, it don't matter. Right? They look decent. So I've always liked this style. I think it'll look good on the car. There she is. She's actually been, I found that when I park, I see a little puddle of some sort of liquid. I think it's antifreeze. I gotta find out. So I'm gonna pull it in actually. And while it's jacked up, I'm gonna see where it leaks. But I checked the reservoir and it's full, so I'm not sure where it's coming from. I checked the under the hood and all the usual spots, right above the fan and around the reservoir, and everything looks legit. I can't see any leaks, so I gotta jack it up. All right, so I'm gonna pull the car in and start to swap. So that came off pretty easy, and it looks like the painted rotor is still in good shape. So I'm happy with that. That one extra clear coat did the job. Let's see if it lasts through the winter. So now I'm gonna put the stock or OEM wheel on, and I'm gonna keep the spacer on. I mean, it's not a wide wheel and it's not a wide tire, so I don't see why it wouldn't work. But here goes. Gonna use this handy little doohickey here. It's gonna go slow. Okay, I'm gonna torque it to 90. I mean, that looks good. Now to the back. Now I can't believe that this is missing. Like, I had the floating cap and I pulled into a store one day and I looked back and it was gone. I don't know if someone jacked me, because it is pretty easy to take, or if it fell off. But regardless, you know, that's $100 right there. This thing from Burger Tuning makes this so easy. Now this rear does not have the spacer, only because it was rubbing against the side here. And I think that's due to my struts. I think they're blown. I'll just do a quick zap. Nothing too tight, just want a little bit more than hand tight. Okay, and she is done. All 4 wheels swapped. There are the BMRs. Right, there she is sitting out there with the OEM wheels. I tell you right now, just pulling her out of here and pulling the car around, the car is much louder. The tires are loud. These Blizzaks are loud. No issues with the TPMS sensors so far. I don't know if I have to drive more than 20 miles an hour, but I don't have any sensors or any codes on the car. I did catch a little leak that spilled on the floor there. I don't know if you can see it, but where's that? There it is there. But I gotta find what that is. I may just take it to the shop. I can't get under it. I just can't see what's going on. Hope you like this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. All right. Also check me out on Instagram, Sam Ace Garage. I'll put a link in the description. So that's it for this video, but there are more videos to come. I took advantage of the Black Friday deal, ordered some goodies online. I got some maintenance goodies coming in. I have a couple things I gotta do on the S2000. So a lot of videos to come on the channel. All right. I am also heading out to Florida in February for the BMW Invasion, so check me out for that. But I'll be posting on Instagram. I'll have a couple more YouTube videos. It's been tough lately with all the activities going around on the house. But check you guys on the next one.